apparently that's where if you're in the stadium and like, oh.
Look, there's fireworks, Sam.
Yay!
Fire!
Look at his face. Careful, put it down, putting it down.
Put it down, it's hot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. 7-Eleven. Alright. Can you draw a circle? Circle. Oh, careful. Not a big circle, just a little one. Little circle. Oh, here, you can hold Mommy's. Put it in there. Oh, good job, Bubba.
It's hot, it's hot. Come in. Give me a box, man. There. Go ahead.
Alright, Sammy, hold this one. Alright. Oh, don't point it up, point it down.
You said no. My
Watch out, it might explode.
Keep going.
There we go.
Look at Sam, too.
I'm gonna go grab another box just so we don't run out.
Sam, are you having fun? Do 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 do.
more.
Okay, here, I'll get you one. Here, Sam. Hold on. She's getting you one.
Alright.
You're welcome.
Do 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 do.
What's going on with that one?
Here, point it down. Like burning in 2 spots. Oh, careful. Did it get you? Alright. Oh, baby. Oh, look, I'm making an S, A, M.
Be careful.
Here, go put it in the water. I think you dropped one on the side. Oh, I did that. Oh. Here, you want to hold it?
More.
Any more left? Yeah.
More.
Do it to Mom. Mom will give you more.
I'm getting more.
Oh no, we're gonna be dead soon. Oh, there's tape on this. Come on.
Yeah!
Good job.
Alright. Let's get another one for Sam!
More.
Go get one. No. Right there.
Yeah! Whoa, hello.
You dropped one on the ground.
Oh. I did.
Yeah.
Maybe the adults can let the children play with these sparklers.
I hope they are pussy. Yay!
I'm done.
You're done. You put it in the water. Whoa. Here you go, Bubba. You're welcome.
Wow.
Do 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 do
Whoa.
do 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 do.
Mom.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me put here. I'm just trying to light it. There we go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dad. Oh no.
Nothing, baby.
Jumping. Mom.
You dropped it?
Yeah. Let's
Get it from Mom.
more. One more. Ooh, wow.
Sammy, are they pretty?
You like them?
Ooh.
Whoa! Look at yours go. Maybe if you put your shirt on. I put it on. We've got 3 more left in here. Do we want to get the last box out? Or do we want to save them for another night? What do you think, Pops?
Whatever you guys want to do. Okay.
What do you want, Bubba? Do you want more fireworks or do you...
No.
No fireworks?
Let's just do the last 3 then.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh! It scared me. Is it okay to get you?
Mom.
Yeah. Here. Is there a new one?
Mom. No. No. More.
Oh, Sam. Sam, it's finished.
Sammy, for Sammy! Oh, did it get your toe? Here, come here. Do you want a firework? Here it is. For Sammy, here.
Here.
No.
Here.
It's hot.
It's hot and it's done. Baby, come
It's
have this
finished.
one. Come here, get this one.
No. No.
Do you want one, Sammy?
No.
Okay, there's one more left. I'm gonna light it.
Sam, this last one's for you, okay?
This is for Sammy. Sammy's turn.
Oh.
Come here.
Sam, finish.
Here, hold it. I think maybe it got him in his foot and scared now.
Dark out, Sally.
See, look, Sam have 2. Look, S-A-M. It's spelled Sammy. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how pretty the firework is, huh? The sparklers. Oh God, it smells so inhalation.